Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp. First, you want to go and open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Then you want to click on these three vertical dots on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on settings. Once you click on settings, here you should see an option saying business tools. So you just have to click on it, then search for away message. Or you can click on the search icon on the magnifying glass on the top right side, then search for away. Now let's say that you cannot actually access it or you cannot see it. What you should do is to go back and click on tools on the bottom right side. Then here you have this option on the bottom, away message. Just tap on it. Then here you'll have to toggle this option on, send away message. Then you should click on schedule in the middle, just right here. Then you want to choose custom schedule. Then here you should choose the start time and the end time. After that, you want to go and click on save on the top right side. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.